Alright guys, welcome to today's video. Do we have a really nice video for you today? We have a really nice home within like 2-minute drive, less than that, here in the beautiful area of Sonoma Ranch. Now before we see that house, where do you think I am? Look at that. Where am I? If you know where I'm at, please comment. If not, stay with me. I will tell you at the end. Alright guys, we are at a beautiful home here in the area of Sonoma Ranch. Let me show you the house right here. You got a very nice mature tree. You're in a cul-de-sac, so you're not going to have a lot of traffic, which is great. I always like to view the neighborhood, the neighbors, right? So you guys can see the area, the community, and we'll take a little drive as well. But this is a home here. It has 1,835 square feet, 2-car garage. It's a beautiful home, guys. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, really nice home. Look at this nice entrance with the tile roof like that. Beautiful. Kind of looks like a little castle, right? Awesome, man. Let's go inside. Okay, so this is the entrance. You have some really nice skylights there. Some really nice nichos so you can decorate however you like. Beautiful. You have a really nice fireplace, as you can see. Your dining area. Love this kitchen. Look at that. You got a little bar here, breakfast, you're always on the run. Beautiful cabinets. Beautiful cabinets. Beautiful, nice, good quality cabinets. I love this here where you can just put your plates there. Another feature, guys, that I like is as soon as we open this door, hopefully the camera will catch it. You don't have to turn on a light. It does it automatically. Pretty cool feature. Not a lot of homes have that. Oh, I don't know if we saw it. Let's do it again. Oh, anyways, but it's got a really cool button right here. See that? There it is. Nice. That way you don't have to worry about picking on the light. Pretty cool feature. Look at that beautiful skylight, guys. I mean, I didn't even turn on the lights. Got a lot of natural light in this beautiful home here. Let's go ahead and go into the 2 bedrooms. Split floor plan. You have your primary bedroom on this side and you have your other bedrooms on this side. Let's go ahead and check it out. Bedroom number 1. Now we do have the garage. It's just a 2-car garage, guys. This is your laundry room. I love that it has these cabinets here so you can just store whatever you need. Wonderful. Skylight. Bedroom number 2. Good sized bedroom. Size bed. You still have plenty of room insides. Okay guys, if you like the house, put a like, share as well. Please help us grow our channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe. Please subscribe to our channel. That way we can keep bringing more videos to you guys. This is a beautiful home in a well-established neighborhood. So if you are interested, please give me a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. Once again, my name is Cesar and my wife is Tanya, and we love helping people move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. Look at this fantastic primary bedroom, guys. Can't wait to go in. Oof, I love this right here. Look at this. This little sitting area. It's really nice. I mean, wonderful home. I featured a lot of homes and not a lot of homes have this. This is wonderful. Let's go into the primary restroom. Here is your double sinks. You guys notice I don't even have the lights on? And look at that natural lighting here. Beautiful. You got a soaker tub. Yeah. And then here is your shower, which is fantastic. Little sitting area, you know, you just want to relax in the water. You're just like, oh, it's a perfect spot for it right here, you know, just to relax and take a shower. If not, you can always just boom, jump in the tub right there and relax a little. And here is your primary closet. Good sized closet. Okay guys, let me know, what do you think? Please comment on it. This house is a beautiful home, beautiful home. Let's go ahead and go outside, guys. We forgot to go outside. Let's see the backyard. Here we go. So you can come out of this side right here as you saw, or you can come out of the double doors to go into the main living room. And you won't have any neighbors on the back side, which is fantastic. You have a good sized yard. Now if you are looking for a starter home, this is perfect, beautiful home for first time home buyer or an investor, you know, that wants to do an Airbnb or something like that. They can do that too. Let's say you're downsizing. A lot of people are downsizing. This would be a perfect home. Now see, you don't have any neighbors in the back, which is great. And then you have this beautiful view of the mountains, and this is how I see the mountains from where I am standing. Look guys, let's just cut to the chase. This is a beautiful home in a really nice area of Sonoma, very coveted, popular area. So if you do like the house, reach out to us guys. If you're thinking of moving in 1 week or 52 weeks or whenever you're thinking of moving, reach out to us please. We'd love to help you. Thank you guys for seeing the video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. And if you have any questions, please give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Now, where am I? I am right up against the Oregon Mountains. I'm at the East Mesa Sports Complex. There's brand new baseball field, pickleball. We're going to get on the scooter. We're going to go ahead and just show you the area. If you're ever visiting, you want to come out, see what's going on, come and visit. Okay guys, here are the pickleball courts. You guys can come out and just play some pickleball. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, so lots of fun, right? Now guys, they also have restrooms here in case you need to use the restrooms, which is great. So let's just say you want to come and bring your pets, right, and just have them walk out here. Beautiful area so they can walk and enjoy as well. All right, guys, this is another area that you can just come out. I was over there on that side. That's where the baseball is at. And this is just a nice area to come and bring your pet, you know, or just a loved one. I don't know, have a romantic picnic. I don't know. You guys tell me what you guys would come and do out here. It's really nice. You're a little bit out of town, which is closer to the beautiful mountains we have here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. All right, let me see if I can. This is how. Wait, nope. This is how I see the mountains, guys. I know I need to slow down. Okay, guys, so if you're ever out visiting Las Cruces, you want to come out and just hang out here, you can. I don't think it's quite open. I think some areas are open for the public already, so you can come out and enjoy. If you guys have any questions, you're looking for a house here in Las Cruces, New Mexico, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email, guys. We'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces. Now, please share the video. We're still trying to grow our channel. Please share with anyone you'd like. That way they can see how beautiful Las Cruces is. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video.